In this video, I'll demonstrate how to enable TPM in a Hyper-V machine is hosting a Windows 10 machine. The reason we want to do this is because we want to upgrade to Windows 11, and by default in Windows 11 the installation wizard is going to fail unless the TPM module is enabled in the virtual machine. So here's my Hyper-V and also my desktop that I have currently running with Windows 10. Now we go here to the actual machine. I have this off, currently in the off state. We right click, we choose settings. Once we are in settings, then we can go here to the security and we choose to enable the enable trusted platform module. Then we click OK. At this point we're all set with the process, and now we can fire up the machine and upgrade this to Windows 11.